Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will be guiding you through how to select from or the best car insurance companies in Canada. So let's just learn. So first of all, you can see we have a Viva Canada, and you can simply head over to their official platform, and they really have to offer a lot. So you can see it is 17th century old and really doing good from the back time. And yeah, so let's just go back to the other one, which is economical insurance, and we got a few more in the list as well. So what I recommend is the SGI Canada. This one is really good. The economy one is also really good. You can see economical insurance if you jump onto that, and it is also really good if you want to head over to that as well. So yeah, this is the list that you can go with if you want to go with insurance companies in Canada, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.